everyone! So today we're gonna make a sweet pastry. A sweet pastry to use for all kind of sweet tarts or even little sablé. It's great pastry. So I've got everything ready today. I've got some soft butter, 250 grams, softened in the microwave, which I'm gonna whisk it to soft it up, make it nice and creamy with no lump. And then, once it's all nice and creamy, we're gonna add the icing sugar. Icing sugar, I have 225 grams. If you have lumps in your icing sugar, better to sieve it previously. So now we're gonna have to mix it very gently, otherwise it goes everywhere. Once it's incorporates, you can go slightly faster. There we go. And now we give it a nice whisk until it goes a bit pale. There we go. So now it's nice and pale color, yeah? Okay, so now we're gonna add some eggs. So eggs, we need 125 grams. So it's quite precise, so we're gonna... Then the eggs are all different kind of size anyway. See, I got this one. This is a stressed eggs, apparently. The farmer told me. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a funny shape. See, it's beautiful. 125 grams. 128, perfect. So I'm gonna put one at a time. And then another one. Nice and smooth. The eggs are in. And now you can add a bit of vanilla essence if you like, or vanilla powder, just to give a bit of vanilla taste. But I don't think I'm gonna do it. So I'm just gonna put some flour now. So flour, 575 grams. So a gentle mix. So it's a quite soft mix for a pastry, but then it's gonna set pretty hard from the fridge. So now I'm gonna remove the whisk because it becomes a bit difficult. I'm gonna finish it with a spatula. There we go. Up. Until everything is combined. Don't need to over mix it. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the bench to finish it off. Up. Beautiful. Just to smooth it out, yeah? Just to make sure everything is well combined together. So you see it's very sticky and very soft. That's what you want. Okay, now we're gonna stick it into a tray. With a clean tray. Come on! There. I'm gonna help myself with a scraper. And that's your sweet pastry. Flat it up because you want to use it in 1 hour, 2 hours, so it has to be very flat so it cools down quickly. Or the best is to leave it overnight in your fridge and use it the next day. Make sure it's nice and flat. And that can go in the fridge. That's all.